How to set up Cloudstream on TV. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up the Cloudstream app on your TV so you can start streaming your favorite content easily. I'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Enable installation from unknown sources. On your Android TV, go to Settings, then Apps, then Security. Turn on Install Unknown Apps for the file manager or browser you'll use. This allows you to install apps that aren't from the Play Store. Step 2. Download the Cloudstream.apk. Open your browser like Puffin or Downloader and visit the official Cloudstream GitHub page or a verified APK source. Download the latest version of Cloudstream.apk. Always double-check the source to avoid fake or unsafe versions of the app. Step 3. Install the APK file. After the download finishes, open the file and select Install. Wait a few seconds while the app installs on your TV. Once it's done, click Open to launch it. Step 4. Grant permissions and add extensions. When Cloudstream opens, it may ask for storage access. Allow it. Then go to Settings, then Extensions inside the app to add streaming sources. This is what enables Cloudstream to find content for you. Step 5. Start streaming. Now you can browse shows, movies, and categories. Select a title and hit play. Cloudstream will fetch available links automatically. If something doesn't load, just try another link or extension source. And that's it. Cloudstream should now be set up and ready on your TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick streaming guides.